Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the bobbin case and hook area accessible. First, unplug the machine and remove the presser foot and needle so you can work safely. Once done, open the throat plate and faceplate and clear visible lint with a small brush. This prevents jams when you rethread. Make sure to keep screw locations and take a phone photo of the thread path. It saves time when reassembling. Now remove the old bobbin and cut any frayed thread so the mechanism is free. Next, you focus on the hook assembly. Clean gently with a brush and minimal compressed air so you don't push debris deeper. Then inspect the hook race, bobbin case, and timing spring for burrs or damage. Even a tiny nick will break thread repeatedly. If parts are worn, replace the bobbin case or spring. This fixes most recurrent thread breaks. Once the area is clean and parts are good, add 1 drop of sewing machine oil to the specified pivot points. Make sure to wipe excess. Finally, rethread the machine carefully. Pass the upper thread through tension discs and T-cup lever, and insert the bobbin in the correct orientation so the thread feeds smoothly. Set tensions to a baseline and sew slowly on scrap fabric while watching both threads. Adjust tension incrementally until stitches look even. If thread still breaks, change to a fresh, good quality thread and a new needle of the correct size. Broken threads most often come from a dull needle or incorrect timing, so check those next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.